Understanding, at a loose end, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, at a loose end. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of this interesting phrase. The phrase, at a loose end, is used to describe a situation where someone has nothing specific to do or is feeling a bit idle. It often implies that the person is in a state of boredom or is searching for something to occupy their time. This expression can be used in various contexts, whether at work, at home, or in social situations. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us remember and use it correctly. The expression, at a loose end, is believed to have nautical origins. On ships, ropes or ends that were not tied or used for any purpose were called loose ends. Over time, this term started being used metaphorically to describe people who were not occupied or busy. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. 1. I've finished all my work and now I'm at a loose end. 2. Do you have any plans for the weekend, or are you at a loose end? 3. Since the kids left for college, I often find myself at a loose end. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, twiddling one's thumbs suggests idleness and having nothing to do. Killing time refers to doing something unimportant to pass the time. That's all about the phrase, at a loose end. Remember, language is not just about words, but about expressions and idioms that add color to our conversations. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your daily English. Stay tuned for more English language tips, and see you next time.